Welcome to SE Custom Designs, where we are literally on our last unclamping. Wow. So if you're first time you're watching the series on the super cool awesome coffee table, you're looking at the finished product. This plus the little hidden Easter egg I got over there, which is the shelf that goes under here. I didn't actually attach it to the unit because I thought that would be cool and different. And guess what? I was making the decisions. The customer was totally relied upon me for that. So this is what we did. So as I'm yapping, I'm going to take this apart and just talk some more. By the way, humidity level in here is 45%. And the temperature is 57. Good things to know, especially when you're in the Northeast. And it's cold and dry and all that sort of thing. So let's just start unclamping. What I'm unclamping is, I'm just going to drop my clamps here. What I'm unclamping are four pieces of wood that I custom made to cover up pocket holes because they were unsightly. While it can be acceptable, pocket holes, they have their place and their time. They are very strong. Look up the episode on that. Like I said, every step, if I haven't said it yet, is covered in my video series. The Super Cool Awesome Table. That's not the title of the series. You might have to change it to that because that's what I say. Every time I do this. A lot of clamps, hey? You can look up that many episodes. About 650 plus videos where we talk about clamps. Different types of clamps, getting some more clamps. Can't have enough clamps. So here it is, this piece of wood here. I'm going to take you off the mount so you can see it. That is like just covering the bottom pocket hole groove that goes in. Why is it that I had to cover them? Because I got a glass top that's going on top of this. Okay? So I clamped the table also to the bench so there wouldn't be any issues. So let's flip them over. And then we're going to bring over the... by the way, if anybody knows of a competition for making coffee tables, please let me know. Because I'm currently seeking to enter this guy if I don't break it. Yeah, maybe I'll put them down there. There's an idea. At least for now. Let's do that. That's a good idea. Sometimes fate decides what happens. Alright. No, that's not going to work. Let's just put it on the ground. I'm done with it. We'll put it over here so you can have a look at it. There it is, my friends. Ta-da! There it is. So now, when I put that glass on top, there was the chance that you're going to see the pocket holes. Well, no such chance now, my friends. And we custom made him and planed him on the DeWalt planer. Look up that episode. And then I had a custom piece here that I made that has to come underneath that block. I didn't want to put a block in, but because I'm not putting a bottom bench connecting it, the shelf, I needed as much support as possible. That's why the angles are there, not uncommon for support systems. So there you go. Tonight I have to do all my finished sanding on this so that I'm going to mount you and bring around the first reveal of the sorry y'all on the big TVs. You're none too pleased when I do all that shaking. Let's bring this guy over. He has dark walnut. This is when you want to be ever so careful not to scratch. Trying to avoid getting any dust on here that I don't have to. And I'm going to get them out of the wood shop. How beautiful is that, my friends? Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take you off the mount. Oh, sorry. Now I got fired. Wait a minute, I can't fire myself. I'll try to do a nice controlled flyover for you. Flyover number 1. First we'll fly under. Okay. Try to get some perspective from the different angles that we got going on. And look at that, my friends. He goes on for 59 miles. Look how beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. For all intents and purposes, this can be a design unto it. This can be a piece of furniture by itself, if you think about it. Right? All right. That's really what this video is all about. We're only 6 minutes into the video. So I'll just do a little bit of talking and then we'll wrap it up. I'm hearing you loud and clear, subscribers. You're like, just get to the point. And I'm working on that. So I am a software QA guy in the daytime. Let's make sure you can see me. I don't ever, sometimes go out of my own videos. And that's, so the QA software guy in the daytime for regulatory compliance software. And at night and weekends, this is what I do. This is the second table that I've made. The first one was a cherry table. Made it from a drop leaf cherry table. The customer brought it to me in pieces and said, make me a coffee table, and I did. They had templates for me, which helped tremendously because I didn't have to do all that thinking to design it. However, one mistake with the carpentable blade would have made the pieces too small. So it was a challenge to keep everything. Just really keep your head and make no mistakes. You just can't. Unlike this, if I made a mistake, I can just make it again because I just bought a lot of oak. And everything it's solid oak, joined up. Obviously, this is joined up. And what a journey we had with this guy. Totally, I thank the Lord Jesus for giving me the idea. At first I went to the internet and to my woodworking magazines. Nothing really said this is what I need. You got to know the customer, try to know the customer, what's in their head, look at what they already have, and then design around what you see. And it was very hard for me. Was it hard? It was a discipline for me to stick to what I saw and don't go crazy. In this case, I needed just straight lines in my design. So that's Hebrew for being thankful to the Lord. So just talking a little bit more, so the video is not too short because I'll premiere this evening. It's December 17th, I believe, Tuesday. And we're so close to being done. I don't have to do anything structural anymore. I'm done. Just saying that is just freaking me out. I got the project in February of 2019. I only got to start it approximately 3 months ago, and at nights and weekends. We had at it. So very proud of it. Looking forward to taking other orders. So there you go. Once I get this guy sanded and stained, really the only thing I have to do is get some rubber sort of flat washers, whatever you want to call them, so that the glass doesn't slide off. Mind you, the glass is 67 pounds, half-inch thick, dead weight. It's not really going to fly off of there at all. If anything, if you hit it like any glass tabletop, it might move a little bit. But this one here, it's going to be tough for that. So thank you for tuning in. SE Custom Designs. Please hit the thumbs up and hit the bell. There's a variety of options with the bells now with YouTube. You want to see everything, take the top option. And then there's a middle option for whatever, and you can customize it. So you'll get the new videos as they come out. All right, thank you for coming to the shop. Take care, God bless. Shalom Aleichem. Tot ziens. Ma salami. Goodbye.